Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Guardian of Apep's Oasis, a formidable weekly boss in Genshin Impact. This powerful dendro dragon resides deep within the desert of Hadramaveth in the Sumeru region. Defeating it regularly provides essential resources for enhancing your character's abilities, making it a crucial challenge for many travelers. We will cover all the necessary steps to gain access to this exciting and rewarding encounter. Before you can challenge the Guardian of Apep's Oasis, there are a few important prerequisites. First, ensure your adventure rank is at least 40. Next, you must have completed the main Sumeru Archon quest, specifically Chapter 3, Act 5 Akasha Pulses, the Kalpa Flame Rises. Finally, the key to unlocking this domain is finishing Nahida's second story quest, titled Sapientia Oramastes Chapter, Act 2 Homecoming. These steps will grant you access to the Realm of Beginnings domain. Once unlocked, prepare for a challenging three-phase battle. In the first phase, focus on depleting the Guardian's health. The second phase requires you to protect the Heart of Oasis from waves of enemies, filling a revitalization bar. During the third and final phase, the Guardian becomes highly aggressive. Watch for prompts to enter the Shield of Revival's hymn to avoid massive damage. Strategic team composition and quick reactions are vital for success. Successfully defeating the Guardian of Apep's Oasis yields fantastic weekly rewards, such as Worldspan Fern, Primordial Greenbloom, Everamber, and Weapon Billets. A crucial tip: the Guardian has 70% Dendro resistance, so avoid using Dendro main damage dealers. Instead, bring strong healers or shielders and characters with high burst damage or ranged attacks to maximize your effectiveness against this formidable foe. Good luck, Traveler!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.